In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all mail in case your storage is filled in. For example, make sure that you select, for example, primary or social or updates. I'm going to choose to delete all socials. I'm going to select one message and then I'm going to unselect it or other select it. After selecting it, I'm going to go to the right corner right here and I'm going to find something. Keep a note that this is the new Gmail and it's a bit different from the old one. So as I said, choose one Gmail, click right here, select all, and then as you can see, all 15 conversations on this page are selected. Would you like to select all 4,000? I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna actually click on delete. Or I can actually skip and delete to trash directly. I'm just gonna delete them. Gonna click on OK. This is gonna take a couple of seconds. After that, I'm gonna find all my deletion in the trash. I'm gonna do the same process, and then I'll be able to clear even my trash. That's it. Goodbye.